The school really helped me to grow, like what I said earlier. Initially, I just know how to cook. I love cooking and passionate about food, especially Indonesian food. And by joining the school now, I learned a lot of new technique, new perspective, new angle about cooking. How do you to be respectfully working in the kitchen? Respect the ingredients, respect the kitchen aid and everything, to bring the best out of you, to pour your love, your soul into your food. Highly recommend this school to everyone my age especially, and everyone else, especially the young one.